Hi, I'm Myra from Moody Wonder. Today, we're answering a popular question: who is more suited for entrepreneurship, introverts or extroverts? And trust me, the answer might surprise you. A lot of people assume entrepreneurship is made for extroverts, people who can sell, network, and lead with confidence. But in reality, some of the world's most successful founders are deeply introverted. Think Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Larry Page. And at the same time, many inspiring CEOs are highly extroverted, charismatic leaders. The truth is simple. Success in entrepreneurship isn't about your personality type. It's about how you use your personality strengths. Extroverts often get labeled as ideal entrepreneurs, and for good reason. They usually bring strong social skills, networking feels natural, high visibility, not afraid to put themselves out there, team energy, great at motivating and activating people, fast action, quick to seize opportunities. These strengths shine in roles like sales, partnerships, pitching, public speaking, community building. However, extroverts may face challenges too: risk of impulsive decisions, difficulty slowing down for deep analysis. Introverts bring a very different but equally powerful set of traits: deep thinking and clarity. They excel at solving complex problems. Long-term strategic focus, calm, methodical decision-making. Creativity from solitude, great at innovation and product development. High-quality relationships, strong trust in one-on-one interactions. Many product-driven, knowledge-based, or tech startups actually thrive because introverts lead with depth and structure. Their challenges? Building visibility can feel uncomfortable. Leadership and communication must be learned intentionally. Studies show that entrepreneurial success is not strongly linked to being introverted or extroverted, but it is strongly linked to whether you understand your strengths, use them strategically, compensate for your blind spots. In simple terms, extroverts excel at pushing forward. Introverts excel at thinking deeply. But real entrepreneurial power comes from action plus insight, no matter which side you naturally lean toward. So instead of asking, am I introverted or extroverted? Am I fit to be an entrepreneur? A better question is, how can my personality support my entrepreneurial path, and what skills can I develop? Entrepreneurship isn't about changing who you are. It's about maximizing your natural strengths and building the abilities you need along the way. If you want to understand your personality more clearly and discover how your traits influence your work, confidence, and career choices, you can take a free personality test at Moody Wonder, https://moodywonder.com.